Hey there, traders. This is Chris Koenig. This is your wake-up call. It's become very traditional for me now to do my entire report with my speakers in the wrong sockets. So let's do this for the second time. I think I've done it every day so far this week. The first pair we're going to take a look at is the Aussie USD. I still have this pair going strong. Looking for a push down towards the 104, 103, 130.90, and if we break below that, floodgates could open towards 103, and then ultimately the target would be this 101.60 level all the way down here. I could show you why on a daily chart. The 101.60 level, you can see, would mark the bottom of these this continued move high. Could mark the bottom of these tests back lower, and it's still just a little bit above the 50 fib here, which is 101.03. From the move up higher that started in the beginning of the summer. So we'll keep our eye on that trade. I would expect continued move lower. We may get a bounce up higher today. Resistance starts at 104.60. I'm definitely going to ride this one out. The next pair that we have is the Euro USD. Simple enough. The analysis is the same. We have 133 as resistance, 131.80 as support, as we spoke about. We get a break of this 131.80. I think we could see it marked move lower, but our first level of resistance would be 131.25. But then I would be looking for a move of 130.20, 130. So I'll be watching this level. I don't know if I'll jump into a trade during it's Friday and it's before the holidays, but I will definitely be watching this level to see if we get a break, and I'll decide there. Maybe I'll just go in a smaller size trade if that's the case. The Great Britain USD, you can see same thing. It's broke through the 162.42 level, and we have strong resistance right here at 162, 161.80. So I'll be watching that level to see if we get a break of it. We get a break that favors a cycle lower towards 161, then down to 160. I would point out that futures are way down in the United States after there was trouble with the physical cliff resolution, and it looks as though it could go right down to the wire. So I'm thinking, I don't know if it's already been priced in, but we could get a continued push lower into the end of the week, especially with low volatility, low volume today. Next, New Zealand USD, nice bounce off the 84.50. We're right here into resistance now, though, at 82.40, 82.40. And if we get a break of this zone, we can definitely cycle back down towards 81. Could be an opportunity here, though. We'll see. If we get a bounce, it would probably just bounce back up towards the top of this level here around 83, and then we could see a continued push lower. We'll have to watch that pair. The CAD very nicely broke above the top of this trend, and now it is above the 99 level. We get a close above this 99, we are definitely back in this range, and we could see a push back up to the 99.50 level in the short term. If we get a break back below 98.80, then I would not hesitate to think we could get a test at the bottom of that range again at 98.23. The USD JPY hovering around 84, not much to say or two there until we break this range, or we break above 85, or we break above the highs of the days around here at 84.50. Let's see, the Euro JPY still just hovering around that psychological level we told you about at 111.50. The more interesting trades are how well these have worked out. The CAD JPY, we definitely brought this up multiple times at the 0.618 fib at 85.80. Now we're sitting right at trend line where it's down over 100 pips. Get a break of this trend line, that's where things get really interesting. We can see a push down to 83. New Zealand JPY, similar. It really respected the 50 fib like we talked about at 70.64. The pair is down, well, 130 pips, but it is running into resistance at 69. That's where things get interesting also. We get a break of that 69 level. I'd like a push all the way down towards 63. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Let's make some pips. Talk to you guys later, and everybody have a great weekend.